Welcome to a video by Abron Exports. This is wax dispenser for tissue processor or making the blocks for wax microtome. This has a digital controller which is a PID control with a 0.1 degree accuracy. We have put it on 65 because most of the wax will dissolve at say 58 to 62 degree, but you can put it as per your requirement. The temperature, this shows the inside temperature and this shows the outside temperature. Let me show you how to set it if you want to change it. If you keep it pressed, it tells you what is the temperature. Now it is telling you temperature. Now you can make it 65 and then enter it. Another is you can press it again. I show you once again. Now this is 65, which is approximately, you can reduce it or make it 62 and then press it. You can now, I can make it 48 or 65 and 65.1 and enter it. Now the temperature will be 65 inside. It is now 22. This has a stainless steel body outside. The stainless steel body outside and inside is also stainless steel. Heater and controller is inside. I just put the water. Never run this instrument without the wax. There are two models available in this. One is without the tap. This one is without tap. There is no tap. So directly putting on tissue processor, or this one is for tap. You can open it. Once it is fully hot, then the wax from this section will dissolve, and only then the wax will come out. Before it is dissolved, the chamber will be having the wax dissolved, and then this will be. And if the room temperature is generally almost 22 or 24 degrees, so this will always be in the solid form. So you have to first start it, keep it, let the wax dissolve, and then it will come out of this. The chamber is here. This one is only lid. This is for lifting. 220 volt operated, 50 megahertz. Visit the website and abronexports.com, and this one is our abronexports.com and abron01@gmail.com. You can put the email to us, and these are our website, WhatsApp numbers. Send your requirement and share our videos to the other. We have got another model which is thermostatically controlled, the rotary switch. You can see the video on the YouTube, and thank you very much for sharing. Thank you.